I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to disable the focused inbox feature on LinkedIn. And as always, if this tutorial helps you out, check out maxdalton.how for more great tutorials. By default, LinkedIn enables a feature called Focused Inbox, which puts the messages LinkedIn thinks you'll care about in a focused inbox and the messages LinkedIn doesn't think you'll care about in an other inbox. Generally, the more spammy messages end up in the other inbox, but occasionally a message that's important to you will land in there as well. Thankfully, if you want to make sure you aren't missing any important messages and take on sorting through them for yourself, LinkedIn makes it easy to turn off the focused inbox feature, which will put all of the messages you get in one inbox. Now let's walk through the steps to disable the focused inbox feature on LinkedIn. Step 1. Click the drop-down arrow beneath your LinkedIn profile icon to open a menu. Step 2. Click Settings and Privacy in this menu. Your LinkedIn settings screen is shown. Step 3. Click Data Privacy in the menu on the left side of the screen. Data privacy options are shown on the right side of the screen. Step 4. Scroll down to the Messaging Experience section on this screen. Click Focused Inbox in this section. The Focused Inbox screen is shown. Step 5. Tap to toggle off Use Focused Inbox. Going forward, all of your LinkedIn messages will be shown in the same inbox instead of being broken into a focused inbox and an other inbox. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.